Oga Peter mapu mmadu nti mo eto ta nti ya.
Nene ke na tutu na na eba. Onti ke na.
Chidebele. So you have money now to buy all this land, to build a house over my dead body. Over my dead body, I will be alive. You will build in this land. This is the reason why I see you, see your mother. Your people are shining. I will show you today that I will show you today that Chidebele, you must.
Jesus. This evil man. This evil man. This evil man. Mazi. Hey! Mazi. Mazi, what are you doing there?
I just came to do that to pray.
When you see and get that? When you see, when I couldn't see and get that?
No. I say let me come here and rest.
Hey!
And pray.
So Mazi, so you are this wicked.
But what are you doing here?
Hey!
In this lonely place.
You, what are you doing here?
Maybe go even charge because Oga Peter mapu mmadu nti mo eto ta nti ya.
Nene ke na tutu na na eba. Onti ke na tutu. Nene na the year you dey pick so now. Hey! Mazi, why are you this evil? This land that they better just acquire. We never did anything. He never even begin to put foundation. He never go.
I never do anything a biggie.
Hey! Mazi, if you say you are not doing anything.
I'm having rest. I'm
tired. I will shout to Awatobi. Stand up now if you say you're not doing anything.
This is not ordinary. It is not a chamo.
Someone must collect it. I will shout to.
I will shout to.
Take it also. Take it.
It's not a ordinary.
Take it, Mazi. Take it. When you are around okay? See us you are wearing red cap. Who see you now will think you are a good man. They will not know that you are an evil.
This is not.
Get it. If you shout, I will tell everybody what you came here to do. If you shout, I will tell everybody what you came here to do. Your wife and your children will know what you are doing in this village.
You are taking my word.
Come on, give me this red cap chip. Carry this thing. Maybe you don't put a juju inside. Very wicked man. Make I don't come back here see where you dig anything. I'm going to check all these places. If I see anywhere where there's sand to come off, I will tell everybody.
Don't tell anybody, please.
Village,
there is nothing here.
You are an evil man. You are an evil man. Nonsense.
So you don't have respect to touch my red cap, right?
Respect, boy.
Don't talk anything, please. Hi. Doing bad is not good, though. Chai, and nothing. Chidebele never did me anything. Why this my envy? When this my envy go stop? Short, from today, I will stop doing evil. Let me throw this out.
We must learn a lesson.